Hello, welcome to the Model Kit Pro channel. In this video we will take a look at 7 of the most unusual model kits around. Building models is a creative outlet that teaches skills. Almost anything you can think of has been made into a model kit. This Star Trek line of wooden models combines the past with the future. Another unusual model kit lets you build add-ons for a Nintendo Switch. Turn your Switch into a piano or a fishing rod with a Labo kit. Some high-level modelers actually spend thousands on custom machined parts. This custom model, called Backdraft, took Best in Show in a model car championship. One unusual thing that has changed about model kits is the art on the boxes. While pre-1977 boxes could have colored illustrations, truth in advertising laws passed at that time often replaced them with photos. Here's the 1955 Chevy model that comes with cool graphics and translucent red windows. Even Pokémon have been made into models. Build them all. Did you know that you could subscribe to a model kit? This back-in-time DeLorean model kit comes a few pieces at a time when you subscribe to the official Back to the Future magazine. To build the car you need to subscribe to 130 issues for a total cost of almost $2,000. Here's a bonus look at the kind of talent needed to make award-winning models. Take a look at the beautiful weathering on this beat-up 1969 Ford F-100 pickup model. For guides and info for beginning modelers, check out our website, modelkitpro.com.